Okay, in this video I'm going to show you, or try to show you, as many features of Lucinda's Pricebook as possible. Just a quick reminder, Lucinda's Pricebook is not an online price comparison tool, so you can't compare it to prices that you get or gather from Amazon or the Google shopping pages, etc. It's really like an old school notebook or an Excel table, so that you can compare prices to stores that are not on the internet, like your local small grocery store where you buy your fruits or vegetables. When you start this application, there's nothing in here. You have no shops, you have no products inside. You have to enter them manually. The first thing that you might like to do is open the menu, the side menu, and go to the settings. And here you can see that you can change the currency. And these are all the currencies that are inside the application. If there's any currency missing, please put it in the comments and I will add it. Then you can change the language right away: German, Español, English, or Portuguese, so that you can switch from one of these languages. If you want to see another language, then write it also in the comments and I will hopefully change it as soon as possible. I will stick with English for this video demonstration. Go back to the menu, go back to the home screen by clicking on the logo inside the side menu. Okay, so on the start page you have the 3 quick access buttons: add a shopping, add a product, add a shopping, check your products, check your locations, the stores where you usually buy stuff. If I open the menu, you see them again: add shopping, you get a shopping history, you can view all your products, view all the shopping locations that you have entered. Reports, I'm working on this right now, but we will see it in a few minutes. Settings, you can export the data to your external storage of the smartphone. You can import the data and the typical about section of the application. So what would you do when you start the application? First, go to settings, settings. Choose your currency and choose the language, your preferred language that you want to use. And then you would go to products, and here it would be empty. It would be nothing. So you have to hit the FAB button, the blue FAB button, and here you can add a product. So you can first enter the quantity. For example, let's make it 1. Let me see. It's 1 liter of brand Coca-Cola. This is just an example. And the name, for example, Coca-Cola Zero. You can add, for each product, you can add a note to the product. For example, if it comes in a special package, if it's a special price or whatever. And and add it. Add it to the application, and then you could scroll down. There it is, Coca-Cola Zero. Or if you reach the point where you have dozens and dozens of, or hundreds of products inside, simply filter by writing, cola, because the name is Zero. Filter by the name. There it is, not by the brand. It filters by the name. Why? Because I might be wrong, but my problem always was the milk. That certain milks here in Spain have such a price variety that I thought filtering by the name is more important than filtering by the brand. You can enter whatever name you want. You know, for example, leche fresca means fresh milk. So you can enter whatever. It's like a tag version where you can enter it depending on what you want to name the product like. So you have already seen it right now, that if I hit the product name, I get a detail view of the product. On the top you get the size that you entered and the brand and the name. In this case it's appetizer. I could call it appetizer, apple, lemonade or whatever, but I wanted to call it appetizer to filter it by appetizer. You get the lowest price that you have entered, In this case, 16 days ago at the supermarket Hibernino El Tablero, I paid €1.14, and 50 days ago in Mercadona, I paid €1.50. All these details about the street and the location you can enter it, you must enter it manually. In this case, for example, I have entered it for the Mercadona and El Tablero, but not for the Hibernino. Hyper. Below you get a line chart showing you the price development of the product from all shops. Later, not so soon, but later I will add a new line chart where you can visually compare it to the shops, but at this moment it's really just like the price development per shopping and not per shop. Oops, sorry. So here, you can drag the pointers around. You can click on the pointers so that you get some details about the shopping session. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Below you have the last 10 shopping entries for this product, so that it's at the end it's the same like the line chart but in list form. You get a year overview on what days you bought this product. This someday might be useful so that the application can show you directly. It can calculate when you are probably going to buy it again, or on what days. Imagine that you used to buy strawberries in November, or whenever. That you can visually directly see. Okay, it's November time, and in November it's going to be strawberry time. So this is just a help to see when do I buy these products. With the lemonade, in this case apple lemonade, that's not that important, but with fruits and veggies you soon might be able to see if it's a seasonal product or not. Sorry. Below, where was this product bought? You can see the 2 supermarkets where I bought it. You can click on it and see I bought it 2 times. So you get a detailed overview where you mostly buy this product. And below there you get the sum of the expenses per shop. So if I would buy this product at more shops, I would see that down here. And I can click on the legend and turn them on and off, so that if I someday have here 4, 5, 6 shops, I can compare them one to the other. Below, how many times this product has been bought and how much money you have expended. What's the English word? Spent. How many money you have spent on this product. So this is the product overview. Then there are the stores. I have 7 shops and stores in here. And with the plus, I can add a new one. You can add the street, postal code, the location, phone number, email, the website, and Facebook. Why the website, Facebook, email, etc. is because as soon as let me check this one. As soon as I click, okay, this doesn't work. Botanical, okay. It works, but I have only one shop where I have entered all this information. And if I click now here, then I can call the store immediately, or send them an email, visit their website or their Facebook page. Please don't visit these pages, these are fake ones. I don't know what's behind these pages. This is just demo data. So I can click on it and then the phone will pop up and I can call it. With the back button, I can go back to the store overview, and also here I can filter by the store name. For example, in this case, I will filter for Mercadona, and as soon as I type, it auto detects what it filters the names. I can click on it and then have the details. Here also I see in the near future more details about the products that I bought at this store, etc. So cross-link exchange, etc. But this is going to take some time because at the moment I'm stuck with the reports that I'm going to show you right now. Let's do it right now. On the reports, you will find several charts and tables where you can get several, more in details about, for example, the expenses per year, expenses per month, amount of products. I already had made them, but they didn't work because no, it works, but I always say it didn't work. It works, but in this case the chart is not showing because I'm changing from chart.js to eCharts and have to make the reports from zero. So yeah, the reports are coming with the next version. Let's go back to the menu, shopping history. Here you can see all the shoppings that you have done. And as soon as I click on a shopping, this action sheet pops up and I can delete the shopping. I can get details to the store where I bought it or to the product itself. So if I hit the product button, then I go back to the details of the product. So let me just show you Uncle Ben's rice, how this one looks like. Yeah, I just bought it one time for €1.83. So yeah. So this is the shopping history. And yeah, export database. You can export the data that you have entered in here immediately. So if I want to export the shopping history, I just hit the button and it gets exported into the smartphone's external storage. The same for the products and the stores. If I want to import them back, all I have to do is go to the import data, here in the menu, import database, hit the Pricebook to check if these files exist. If here is everything fine, then I can go to import and import the files. I'm not going to do this right now because as you can see, I can. Ha! I just did it. I just did it because I was afraid that I would overwrite it. Because the thing is this: you can prepare your data in Excel, put that Excel data as CSV file on the smartphone's root and import it directly. So you don't, if you have at this moment used an Excel table with products, etc., then you can import it. But it's going to be overwritten. That's very important. So as soon as you have files on your phone to import, these three files, minus history.csv, lpricebook minus product CSV, and lpricebook minus stores.csv. As soon as these three files, or one of these three files, is on your external phone storage and you hit the button, it's going to overwrite the whole data. Okay, so now let's check the workflow for Lucinda's Pricebook on how to use it. First of all, you have to enter at least one product in one store. Once that it's inside, you can use either this button, the Add a Shopping Quick Access button, or Add a Shopping via the side menu. I'm going to use this one as it's open. Select a date. I'm going to use this. The 13th is today. The time. At what time have you been shopping this product? At what store? I'm going to choose this one. And what product have you just bought? Yeah, let's take this one. And what you paid for it, €1.99. That's quite a lot for milk, but it's okay. Very expensive. Okay, so save shopping, and there it is. The Uncle Ben's rice is still up here because I'm going to buy it in December. I just entered the wrong date, so ignore that one. But there is the milk for €1.99, and if I hit it, I once again can either directly go to the shop or to the product details, and here you see it, how much I paid for the milk and where. And as you can see, today I paid the highest price at the moment for €1.99. Comparing it to the other prices, you immediately see that that's quite expensive. Okay, so yeah, this is how Lucinda's Pricebook looks like at this very moment in March 2019. And as I said, I'm working on the reports at the moment, and as soon as this is ready, I'm going to update it as version 1.1, I think, because for a major update for 2.0 that would be too small just to add that feature. I will see it. It's going to be 1.1, and yeah, if you have any suggestions and features that you would like to see in this application, then write them down in the comments of this video, and yeah, I'll try to develop them. Thanks for your time and wish you the best. Bye bye.